mountains of Switzerland to the most beautiful cities in Italy, flying to Czech Republic, and dropping by in Hungary on my way to Romania, it's finally time to explore Austria.
Bahnsteiglinie U3.
I arrived today, this morning, around 8:30 a.m. and I took an overnight bus via Flixbus. Suking-sukin ako ng Flixbus. Kaya lang kahapon, late yung bus ng 1 hour. But then we arrived here on time. That's from what I saw on my watch. Dumating kami on time. Kahit na late ng 1 hour si Flixbus. I'm not sure. Maybe because Romania and Austria have a 1 hour difference. Pagdating ko ng hostel, I decided to, leave my stuff kasi hindi pa ako pwede mag-check-in. And then, I rested for a bit kasi kailangan natin mag-recharge. Ikaw ba naman yung mag-travel non-stop for almost a month na? Hindi ka ba mapapagod? So, ayun. Traveling can be so much fun, but you need to recharge yourself, especially when you do a lot of activities. And I walk a lot actually, so I need to rest and take a break because my feet really hurt. Since I'm fully recharged, I decided na ngayong gabi maglakad-lakad muna. So dito magandang magpicture. Let's set up everything here. Yeah. Oops.
But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon.
So should we go left? No, this is the left. Or right. Let's go to the left.
I know it's hard for everyone to understand it, but you're in my heart, even though it feels like we got stranded. And I wish I could get to you, see you face to face.
So I've always wanted to go inside a maze or a labyrinth, and this is a dream come true. This reminds me actually of Alice in Wonderland. festival na nagaganap ngayon with all the music. Akala ko music festival siya. Film festival pala. Ang daming tao. Gusto ko manood. Attending a free film festival or a music festival here in Vienna is a must. And there's a lot of food stalls and drinks around, so hindi ka naman maboboard. So, nandito na tayo sa Prater Amusement Park. So, free entry dito. But of course, yung rides, you have to pay for that.